Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to crop your videos using the CapCut mobile app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your video project, then go and choose one of your clips. Or if you have only one video that you want to crop, you just have to tap on your timeline. And then you will have to go to the edit button, which is here around the middle of the screen. When you tap on it, you will find the crop icon here in the right. And when you tap on the crop icon, here you will find a few main ratios that you can crop your video to. These are the most used ones. If you want to create a TikTok video, you would use 9.16. If you want to create YouTube videos, you would use the 16.9 version. For Instagram, some of us use 1.1, or you can use 4.3. So these are the main general crop ratios, and you can go to free and choose your own crop like this. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.